Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by giving Zarchiver the right bridge to your files. Storage Access Framework. Open Settings, Apps, Zarchiver, then grant files and storage permission. This lets the app request folder-level access. Once done, open Zarchiver and use its Select Folder SAF dialog to pick the exact directory that contains the archive. You do this because Android isolates apps by default. SAF creates an explicit permission token, so Zarchiver can read and write without system-level access restrictions. Once SAF permission is established, extract using Zarchiver's built-in extractor and choose the SAF-selected destination. If extraction still yields access denied, check whether the archive is encrypted or uses an uncommon format. Supply the correct password and try again. On rooted devices, you can fix file ownership. Open a terminal or ADB shell and run chown and chmod to make the destination writable. You do this because wrong UID/GID or read-only mounts prevent extraction even when the app has SAF tokens. Wrap up by extracting the archive to the SAF-approved folder and confirming file integrity. Open a few files to verify. If you changed permissions or moved files, clear Zarchiver's cache and restart the app so tokens refresh. Make sure Android hasn't mounted the SD card read-only. Remount or copy files to internal storage. Troubleshooting tip: if access denied persists, connect the device to a PC and test the archive there, or use ADB pull to see if the problem is app level or a file system/mount restriction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.